The SR-72, redefining the boundaries of human flight at Mach 6.
Affirmative, we have achieved ignition. Pushing through Mach 3 now. The aircraft is stable.
Welcome to Skunk Works, where we build the SR-72 hypersonic aircraft.
Specialized titanium billets arrive at our classified material processing facility. 50,000 tons of force shape titanium into hypersonic airframe components. Ceramic matrix composites allow sustained flight at Mach 6 speeds.
The C-scan confirms the porosity in Sector 4. Oh.
At hypersonic speeds, that's catastrophic.
Reject the component.
Organic fibers transform into pure carbon at extreme temperatures. The SR-72 fuselage takes shape in our classified manufacturing bay.
Ensure that torque is precisely set before we verify the gap.
It's calibrated, reading 95.
Excellent. Let's get the laser measurement now.
We are showing green on the alignment. Tolerance is 0. Confirming position lock.
SR-72's delta wings span over 50 feet of advanced structure.
Running the verification scan now. Metrology reports a perfect fit.
Systems verification active. Deflection test commencing.
Inspection complete. All systems check out.
Quality verified. We are clear for rollout.
The SR-72's revolutionary combined cycle engine is built here.
The scramjet operates where conventional jet engines cannot function. Torquing fasteners to specification.
Verified.
Cooling connections clear.
We need to verify the divergence angle on section 4. The thermal load projections are critical here.
Alignment complete on the bypass doors.
Confirmed. Flow path switching engaged. Readouts are green.
Excellent. Integration verified.
Thermal management is critical for sustained hypersonic flight survival.
Look at the heat absorption capacity here.
The endothermic process is fully engaged. The fuel is cooling the airframe as expected.
Pressure holding steady at peak load.
Flow rates confirmed. System integrity verified.
Even at Mach 6, the SR-72 minimizes radar detection.
SR-72 Avionics control flight at speeds exceeding Mach 6.
System check passed.
The SR-72 can operate piloted or fully autonomous.
SR-72's fuel system provides both propulsion and thermal management.
Check the thermal gradient reading here on the tablet.
It's within the hypersonic parameters. Proceed with pressure test prep.
System certification complete. Flight ready. Final assembly begins where all SR-72 sections converge.
Confirmed alignment on the starboard side. Proceed slowly, we are clear for mating.
Adjusting the Z-axis by 2 thousandths.
Okay, the interface alignment is stable. We are good to proceed.
Aircraft systems installation brings the SR-72 to life.
Confirming alignment on the starboard generator.
Roger that, Charlie. All parameters green for fastening.
Comprehensive ground testing validates every system before flight.
Proceeding with high-speed run-up.
Telemetry stable. Initiating brake check now.
Copy. Braking looks nominal.
Yes, we are cleared for flight.
Absolutely incredible. Well done, team.
At a classified location, the SR-72 prepares for first flight. We are clear on the forward section.
Gear and TPS look good, Commander. We are go for launch.
Life support verified. Controls checked. Comms established. Pre-start checklist complete. Requesting ignition.
Clear the exclusion zone. Let's go.
Ground is clear.
72 to tower. Spool up sequence complete. Ready for taxi.
Affirmative. We have achieved ignition. Pushing through Mach 3 now. The aircraft is stable.
That's how we build the SR-72, the son of Blackbird.
The SR-72, redefining the boundaries of human flight at Mach 6.